FIS has two new additions to the Pulse Box family, the LaunchPod and the LaunchPod Plus. They are portable, rugged, and easy to carry. They have a hard case that is durable and can be thrown in a tool bag without getting destroyed. Both LaunchPods have several connector configurations to choose from, and inside, Corning Optical Bare Fiber is installed. The LaunchPod has up to 300 meters of bare fiber, and the LaunchPod Plus has up to 1,000 meters. The LaunchPod is the perfect product to test the quality of the front and back end connectors. Technicians use it to eliminate dead zones with an OTDR. Without the LaunchPod, it is difficult to measure the relative loss at the front end and back end of the connectors. To purchase the LaunchPod and the LaunchPod Plus, contact Fiber Instrument Sales on the phone or go to our website at fiberinstrumentsales.com. Subscribe to our channel for new videos.